There we go. There we go, guys. We got our Delta Executor. Look at this for free. What is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the latest trick how I got latest Delta Executor for my Roblox absolutely free, safe and online. And you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices. Guys, when you look at the comment section, I will give away a lot of free Delta Executor permanent keys. So if you want one unique for you, just make sure to comment down below free key and to like this video. So like this video and comment down free key and I will reply you with a new permanent key. So guys, let's start. So for the start, let's go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily, and then click on Delta Executor and then it will load up like this. So guys, there we will have to enter our user ID. So if you don't know how to find your user ID, just click here how to find your user ID, or let me quickly show you. So go to your roblox.com on browser, log in there, go to your profile like this and just copy your profile URL. In your profile URL there is your user ID. It's pretty simple, just copy whole URL and let's get back to our tool and then we will paste it like this. Just click here and it will automatically paste only your user ID. So just click connect account, guys. It will start fetching our Roblox profile and we will get this user found and your name. So guys, there we go. Now we're connected and now we will import the newest Delta Executor. Click there and then if you want, you can install additional scripts on your Delta. So I will select 4 scripts. It's a really good option, guys, because you can do it right now and all those scripts are with key. So you don't have to buy anything. You will get it automatically cracked and activated. So let's wait for this and let's see. So there we go, guys. Third step is load up, API is connected, our Delta Executor is ready and we got our activation key. But guys, it's unrevealed as you can see. So we'll have this bot captcha because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts and we will just click I'm not a robot. And let's see now. So there we go, guys. Verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Our user ID and our Delta Executor key is connected. Look at this, guys. We got it revealed. So I must repeat once again, like this video and comment down below free key and I will reply you with the new permanent Delta Executor key just like this. I will generate it for you guys if you can. So just like this video and comment free key. So let's open now our Delta and let's see, is it actually working, guys? I will open this and then we can go on, we can play literally whatever. Where is Blocks Fritz? There we go. We can test on Grow a Garden. It's loading fast, so we'll click play and let's see, is it actually working on Grow a Garden. So we should receive our Delta Executor along our 4 scripts selected. So let's see, guys, is it actually working? And there we go. There we go, guys. We got our Delta Executor. Look at this for free. It's actually working, guys. So let's see. Nice. Overflow, Forge Hub, Nikius and Soluna as we selected. So we can test anything, guys. Click on Executor, any script. And let's wait for this to load up and we will see, is it actually working, guys? We got our Delta. Delta is working amazing. And let's see now, how does it execute the scripts? So we will see now. Yeah, guys, it's working perfectly. Look at this. Player, no clip, player ESP. Look at this, guys. Player walk speed. Let's test this. So guys, this is sick. This is sick. It actually worked after a lot of testing websites. Guys, I have tested a bunch of websites and bloxforge.com worked only so far. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. I must repeat, if you have trouble getting free key, I mean from Bloxforge, just make sure to comment down below and I will give you free permanent Delta Executor key. So like this video and comment free key. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye.